Hi, I'm Alexa, a third year BS Pharmacy student. This is day 7. Day 7? Yes, day 7 of Daily Dose of Pickle Review. And samahan niyo akong i-torture ang kamay ko ulit because we are going to answer some questions in pharmacology na handwritten, which is required for my assignment. Like and follow for more.